Hey, I'm Ben from Fusion Lighting, and in this short video I'll show you our deck lights and how to get beautiful lighting in your deck area. Okay, so with our deck lights, this is commercial grade stuff. It's designed to last outdoors for years and years, and it's purpose built for harsh outdoor conditions. So you'll notice the cable, it's thick cable, it's not going to deteriorate or anything under your deck. The deck light itself, it's got a marine grade aluminium face. Why? Because it's proven to be more rust resistant than stainless steel. The great thing about this system, it's very, very easy to use. It simply pushes together. So you don't need to be an electrician or anything like that. So you get a 10-meter main cable with it, and every meter there's a portal to plug the deck lights into. But because the deck lights themselves have a 1-meter tail, you've got a lot of leeway as the distance you can actually space your lights up to 1.8 meters apart. So to put it together, you simply push it into the main cable and then do up that thread, and you've got a watertight seal. It's simple and easy to install. The other thing is, when you're comparing it to other lights on the market, so here's one of our competitors, you'll notice the difference in the body. This is a thin, wimpy little metal top as opposed to this more robust, hardy system. If you're looking at running more than 10 lights and you want 20 or 30 meters, the great thing is we've got these cable joiners. You join into the end, you put your other cable there, and you've got your light there so you don't lose any sockets. The other great thing is it's 12 volt. As I said before, you don't need to be a Sparky to install it. You're going to get the right hole in your deck every time. I supply a free drill bit with it. It's a very simple system to install. You just need to work out the spacing of your lights. If you do need any help working out the design and layout for your lights, I've helped hundreds and hundreds of customers with their deck. Just send me an email or give me a call, and I can design your system up for you. All the contact details are on this page, or simply place your order on the page and I'll ship it straight out to you.